was asked by somebody on my YouTube channel, YouWantAlgebra, if I could do some recursive and explicit formulas for geometric and arithmetic sequences. So I'm just going to give these to you. Again, make sure you follow me on all three platforms that I have: YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok at YouWantAlgebra, and share with your friends. So let's take a look. We have a barrel that starts with 6 cups of water in it, and then during a rainstorm, very heavy rainstorm, it doubles every single minute. So we're looking for the explicit and the recursive for this problem. So the first thing I'm going to look at is I see the word doubles right there. So I know what it started with, and I know that it doubles. So I know the common ratio in this one is going to be 2, because we're going to be multiplying it by 2 every minute. And some things that I've said already in the past few videos was that the explicit helps me if I need to know pretty far down in the future what I am doing. This doesn't give me a whole lot of information. It doesn't give me a lot of pattern, but it does tell me the first number, which is 6. So if I just keep doubling that, I'm going to keep getting the numbers that I need after however many minutes I want to calculate this for. Now, explicit would be helpful if I wanted to do this for, let's say, 100 minutes later. Now, obviously, if that was the case, that would be a lot of water in there. But we would use the explicit formula because we can find something pretty far down in the future. Now, because it is doubling, it is going to be in geometric sequence. So we're going to use G sub n, n being the number that we're looking for in this pattern. So again, if I wanted to know 100 minutes into the, this rainstorm, what it was going to be like, I could put 100 down here where n is. And then it's going to be equal to what we started with, 6. And then we're going to times that by 2 because it's saying it's doubling. And then in parentheses, as an exponent, we're going to do n minus 1. So it would be, if I was looking for 100, I would be 100 minus 1, which is 99. So I would do 2 to the 99th power, and then multiply it by what I started with, and I'd get how many cups of water would be in that barrel. Now with the recursive formula, the recursive is a little bit different because what we do here is just do G sub n, which is the number I'm looking for in the future. We start with the G sub n minus 1, which means you need the number before that. So whatever the number is prior to it, and then you're just going to multiply it by 2. So in most patterns, the pattern's number right before it, because in order to figure out the next number, you'd need the number right before it. So that's where the recursive comes into place. So that's kind of how you find the pattern usually, and then you can use the explicit to find future numbers when you're looking for it farther down the road. If you'd like more questions like this, find them on TikTok, YouTube, and YouWantAlgebra in my Instagram page, and I'll see you soon.